Send value action is an action that you will use quite frequently in Foxtrot. Using your targeter, you target the application and the location that you would like to send a value to. Foxtrot will see where you're sending it to, and when you choose Send Value, you can type in whatever text you'd like to in the Send field and choose from the list of options underneath it to send that value. If you'd like to hide the value completely, you can do that and it will encrypt it so you can't see the text. You can choose the bypass keyboard, which will be an automatic paste into that field like a Control-V action. You can click before sending or tab out after sending. You can even change the case of the text to say all uppercase or proper. With the Remove Spaces option, you can pull out any spaces either beginning or behind the text that you have entered. And using the preview on the bottom, you can see that only the text will remain. The spaces will be removed with this option. The mode, you can change your text to either overwrite the text that was there, append, meaning putting it at the end, insert it in the front, or have no action. We're going to put some sample text here in the title bar, then come down and execute our send data action to overwrite the data that is in that field. When we click OK and execute the action, the text that we have entered will be overwritten with the text that is being sent to that location. When editing the action, we can come in and select an option like bypass the keyboard. You won't see the letters individually type in that field. It will be just like you pasting text into that field. So when we execute that action, the text automatically gets placed in the field all at once. Here we're going to add text to a couple different fields and show how targeting multiple at one time and hitting play will execute the send value actions one after the other. We'll reset the actions and then turn the speed up to maximum, then execute the same actions and watch how fast Foxtrot fills in those data fields. When targeting in Excel, you'll just target the specific cell, choose a send value action, and you can type in whatever value you would like to be sent to that cell. You can target multiple cells, and Foxtrot will remember your target and send that value to each individual cell. Using the send value action, we can also send formulas to a cell that will make Excel, in this case, give you the sum of cells A1 and A2. So in this case, it won't actually send the value of the sum. It is sending the formula to that field, which will then add the two fields together. With the Save As box, you can target the file name and send a value to that file name, giving it the name of the file it will be saved as. So here you'll see we're doing a file name that will exist on our C drive. And when we click OK, Foxtrot will send the value of that file name to our Save As. We can target the main page of Notepad and send a value of any type of text to be written in the Notepad. If you would like to enter extra spaces the same way a human being would, you can go to your Send Value and choose your expression builder to access the keyboard. Using this, you can then enter in Enter keys the same way a human being would on a workstation. So the two Enter tokens have been entered in, and text will be entered after it. So when we execute this action, two Enter strokes will be entered before the text that we entered in, and you will be able to see those as separated by the space. Thank you for watching, and tune again for more videos.